Dito kami ngayon matutulog sa tapat ng Starbucks.
We are the Awaken family from the Philippines. Back in 2021, we made one of the biggest decisions of our lives. We left our corporate jobs to focus on our little family and follow our dreams. During the pandemic, we bought a van and converted it into our tiny home on wheels. Since then, we've spent the past few years renovating, camping, and traveling. Our intention is to travel around the country, soak up the great outdoors, and share this incredible journey with you. Join us on our family adventures.
Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
Wala na close ang Hunos pa.
This isn't your typical camping video in nature, with several activities planned in the city and home being 30 to 40 minutes away. We decided to try stealth camping for the very first time. We're not sure where we'll park or how comfortable it will be, but that's the beauty of van life, having a home wherever and whenever you need it.
Sa hindi ko nakakalam, ginagawa na namin yung aming roof rack. And yung gagamitin naming mount para maikabit yung roof rack is Unistrat. So ngayon, andito kami sa Navs Electrical, Patag, Cagayan de Oro City. Para kunin yung order natin, di ba Lalab? Na Unistrat, dalawang Unistrat. So,
ano ba yun? Slotted Unistrat?
Yeah, slotted Unistrat. Para makasave kayo ng time, if ever gagawa din kayo ng, bibili din kayo ng Unistrat, pumunta kayo sa mga electrical shop, wag dun sa mga hardware kasi I'm sure wala dun. Yeah, let's go. Let's get our order. Dangerous anak, madami ka dito.
We'll be back. We'll be very quick.
Subscribe guys. The link below.
Are you excited to see Tito Chuck's product launch?
Yeah. Native salad.
The lights are on. Oh no. Turn it off.
Dito muna tayo sa Putubongs. Ano nag-tripikas?
Tura dito oh.
Ay, nag-tripikas.
Mas lami siguro dito. Before we go to the product launch, we've decided na mag-drop by muna dito sa Rotonda, Cagayan de Oro kasi ang tagal na namin ito nakikita online. They are selling puto bumbong and would like to try it.
Try.
Calories loaded. Ala, it's hot, Papa.
Hot? Hot? Nik ba?
But he spit it, mommy.
The Awaken fam is here. Are you awake?
We're awake, guys. We're awake. Let's find a place to sit.
Hi, Awaken family. So, ano tayo subong sa native salad burger wrap. So, may mga guests kita from Bacolod, friends, and siya sa Pilipinas. I have a picture.
Bongbong from...
Siya nagluto.
Sa sate ko.
Tsaka, Puto Bongbong. Ma'am, sir, Puto Bongbong, ma'am.
Thank you so much to Native Salad and My Churros for inviting in the CDO.
So as you know guys, we're here to support Native Salad. Shout out to Chuck! Since meron pala silang band dito, we've decided to stay a little bit longer kasi gustong-gusto ng mga bata na makalisten ng songs. So as you can see, we're just here in front of the event area.
You know, last time guys, in Kumaykay, there was a band.
Yeah, there was a band there also.
Yeah, there was a band, kaya gustong-gusto niya. And then we've decided to stay here kasi meron namang restaurant in front. Diyan na lang siguro kami bibili ng food para convenient.
And andun lang yung may restaurant dyan. Sandro 1850. So if you're from CDO, sikat na restaurant. Yeah.
Then dito naman
sa harap is Churros Cafe.
My Churros Cafe. So if you're from CDO also, or you're planning to visit CDO, visit this cafe. They are selling the best churros in town.
Yeah.
And they also
Spacey boy.
Spacey just woke up, so good luck. Anong oras kaya itong matutulog? Or let's go out. Let's go out. What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat?
Fry rolls.
What?
Fry rolls.
Let's go get some.
It's up describe guys. Click the button below.
Hinihintay lang namin yung order namin.
Let's go.
It's here. Wow, this one.
Chicken. Where's chicken?
Yeah.
Mama, try.
Yeah, I'm getting hot. Open your mouth. We're fresh.
Fresh.
Yeah, we're fresh and we're ready to sleep.
Okay, I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye.
Yeah, because we are in
Starbucks.
in front of Starbucks. Be, pakita natin. Yan, we're in front of Starbucks.
Hello guys, so we went to a cafe last time. There was a band. It was the same when we go to Kumaykay.
Yeah. Good night.
Good night. Para may oras pa kami mag
Coffee.
It's time for the kids to sleep. Say good night. Good night.
Good
Bye. So ayun guys, tulog na yung kids. Finally. So we're in front of the Starbucks and beside
Yeah,
namin.
nandun Starbucks.
Yeah,
And
beside namin yung McDo.
nalaman din natin na love na yung Starbucks pala is up to 1 a.m. But yung McDo is 24 hours.
Yes, which is
So,
perfect.
Kasi in case need natin mag-CR, pwede tayo doon.
Meron naman kaming portable pero just in case
Just in
lang,
case,
diba?
yeah.
Okay.
But before that, napagkasunduan kasi namin ni Taiza na gusto talaga naming malaman kung magkano yung magagastos namin if ever, ito turn on lang namin yung aircon ng van. Yeah, for at least 8 hours, diba? So, ngayon, naka-decide kami na i-full tank namin yung fuel ng van. Tapos tomorrow, magpapagas naman tayo ulit. So that we would know magkano yung magagastos natin.
In this trip, magsi-stealth camp kami guys.
Yeah.
Since wala naman tayong power source dito sa area na to.
So currently, we are in Lim Kit Kai
Avenue.
Oo.
So wala kami sa National Highway guys. It's actually a private area owned by the mall. But inside this area, ang daming mga establishments. Mga coffee shops, restaurants, banks. So basically safe lang siya. Kasi ang dami namang guards.
So yan, full tank na. Okay. I'm really curious kung magkano yung mako-consume ng van for overnight na naka-on yung AC. Kasi I'm pretty sure mas tipid pa din to kaysa sa mag-rent tayo ng room, right?
Yes. And first time kasi talaga naming gagawin to. Since usually meron talaga kaming power source and since nandito kami sa city and late na, it's so much more convenient for us to park in this area kasi mas safe din.
Maganda naman. May nag-park dun sa gusto nating spot.
Gusto naming mag-park dyan mismo sa front. Kanina available kasi. But I think uuwi yan sila, of course.
Dito na lang tayo.
Dito na lang tayo besides sa sports car.
So, dyan na kami naki-park. In front of Starbucks Coffee. Let's go.
Coffee time!
Dalam. Full bar gyapon. Tingnan ta diri.
So, we're outside Starbucks and yung van nakapark lang in front of the cafe.
McDo. Beside McDo.
Yung mga bata, nakikita namin from this baby monitor.
Yeah.
So, thanks Grove and Nell for sponsoring this monitor.
Yeah.
We can now go coffee dates together.
Yeah. So, kagandahan dito, meron siyang night vision. Meron siyang own Wi-Fi.
Mismo sa device.
And it can go up to 250 meters.
Kahit nasa loob kami, nag-order kami.
Yeah.
It's still working. Naka-full bar pa din siya.
Yeah.
It's very cool. Thanks again, Nell and Grove.
Cheat day day, karon cheat day. 1 week man tanan ko.
Cheat day namin ngayon.
The sunlight dances on the balcony as I wait for thee to come home. I fumble my words, yeah, my mind's a mess when you're in that dress. Glad you're home. Will you stay with me and never leave? You walked into my life.
Water.
Look, Papa, happened this. Then look, Papa, done.
Yeah, it's a stand.
Yeah. Mama.
Yeah. Mama.
My mama.
Mama.
Car, my car daw. Car running. Man.
One van life hack na natutunan namin is yung mga blanket is pinapasok namin sa
Ang pillowcase.
Pillowcase.
Oo,
Yeah.
so nakaka-save kami ng space.
Yeah, at saka pwede nyo siya gawing unan.
Unan. Pag hindi
It's very nice, oh.
Pero depende din yun kasi di ba may ibang tao na gusto nila maraming pillows.
Yeah.
Kami, we don't use pillows except Summit and
It
Papa.
consumes a lot of space kasi.
Oo.
Yung
Ayan. Oh no,
Ala, kagising
Space
niya.
is playing with the cover.
Ala.
Oh no! Oh you get that one? Kasi kauno niya.
Try this. Uy.
Go inside. This is McDo. It's Summit's first time in McDo. Go inside. Go inside. Is this your first time? Yeah.
No.
Yeah. We're here to buy breakfast, okay? Yeah. I didn't know may ganito na pala yung McDo. So we're gonna try and order through this one, Summit, okay? Let me see. Excuse me.
No, not that one.
Oh.
I think this is for coffee.
I think it will take me a long time. Doon na lang tayo sa cashier, Summit. Come here. Okay, we're in a hurry. It's my first time using that. Come.
I don't like it. It's a sore.
That's Papa's, mom. You said you want pancake.
Papa will give
That's
you.
everything.
Just sit down.
So, time right now is 9:37. Last night, nagpa-full-tank tayo 11:15. So, it's like 12, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, more than 10 hours. But still full-tank pa din. Yeah. Oo. So, right now, pupunta tayo dun sa same gasoline station kung saan tayo nagpa-full tank last night, and check natin kung magkano yung full tank.
Hey, look, there's a faucet.
Yeah.
So, eto na yung natin, nabayaran. Are you ready?
Sige, how much?
Time check muna. 9:49. So, it's almost 10 and a half, more than 10 and a half hours nakakaon na yung van.
Yeah.
Yung nabayaran natin is kita ba?
How much is that?
351.
Oh, not bad.
Yeah, not bad. 351 lang for 10 hours na naka-on yung van and aircon ng van. That sums up our style camping in the city. And what can you say?
Well, I'm just so grateful na we have this kind of lifestyle, no? Kasi it allows us to have a safe space whenever we need it, and you can just move around. Kung ayaw mo ng location mo, you can just move around whenever you want to. Kasi originally sa may McDo kami nag-park, and then later on, nag-transfer kami dun sa Starbucks.
And matagal-tagal na din kami na hindi nakapag-coffee na tayo lang, di ba?
Usually kasi kompleto talaga kami. I mean, there's nothing wrong about it. I just feel like, we just feel like it's so different than if we have quality time together.
Yeah.
Nawala yung kids. So right now, meron na tayong baby monitor. When is the next coffee? So,
yeah, and dun sa sa expense natin sa gas, tinurn on natin yung van for at least mga 10 hours. And 350 lang yung nabawas sa sa fuel. So it's around nasa 33 pesos lang per hour. Ganun siya ka-cheap.
Still cheaper compared sa magsistay ka in a hotel room. Of course, hindi naman yung like 2 nights, 3 nights. It's just an overnight stay.
Yeah.
So, still nakatipid talaga.
Pencil there.
Yeah.
Andun din sa
Silver, you cannot get it.
dun din sa product launching na pinuntahan natin, di ba, Lalab? Hindi natin expect na may band.
Yeah.
And so nice to see local bands from Cagayan de Oro.
To witness the local scene. And
Yeah.
sila talagang nagustuhan na nila mag-listen ng bands, no?
Shout out to Native Salad, Chuck,
Thanks for
and
inviting
My
us.
Churros. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe.
Yes,
Yeah.
and share it with your friends and family
Who loves camping.
and fun life adventures.
Thank you.
Bye.
Hi, Tris. Hi, friends. Hi, friends.
Natago siya.
Say hi,
Nawala siya.
friends.
Nawala.
He's not shy. He's not